products. How much is okay? 3. Eat more fruits and veggies. 90% of Americans don't eat enough fruits and vegetables. 8. That doesn't just mean fewer vitamins and minerals. It also makes it difficult to get enough fiber, especially cholesterol-lowering soluble fiber. This type of fiber is believed to reduce cholesterol by whisking cholesterol building blocks out of the body. 9. Oranges, apples, pears, Brussels sprouts, carrots, and sweet potatoes are all great sources. To increase your soluble fiber intake, try whipping up some simple roasted Brussels sprouts or sheet pan roasted root vegetables, or toss up a pear and arugula salad with candied walnuts. 4. Consider medication. If you've committed to diet and exercise for at least 6 months, but your blood work still shows high cholesterol levels, additional measures may be needed, says Lau. Then medication may be required and should be taken daily to achieve optimal results, he explains. However, the best outcomes occur when medication is paired with a healthy diet and regular exercise. They all need to happen in tandem, says Lau. He advises checking cholesterol levels every 3 months when starting a new medication, and once levels improve, every 6 months or 1 year, or as your primary care provider advises. Other tips for managing high cholesterol: watch your blood pressure. High blood pressure can increase stress on your arteries, leading to stiffer arteries and more plaque buildup, says Lau. He recommends managing your blood pressure, if it's elevated, through diet and regular exercise. If you smoke, quit. Research shows that smokers have higher total cholesterol and triglycerides and lower levels of beneficial HDL cholesterol. 10. Smokers are also more likely to have high cholesterol than non. 11. Smoking increases inflammation in blood vessels, which can lead to plaque buildup, says Lal. Obviously, the best way to prevent this is to avoid tobacco products altogether. But if you need help, Lal recommends speaking with your primary care physician to discuss options, like nicotine patches or gums, or consider joining a smoking cessation program. The bottom line: if you've found out you have high cholesterol, there are steps you can take to manage and even lower it. Cardiologists recommend starting with regular exercise, limiting foods high in saturated fat, eating more fruits and veggies, and taking medication if your physician advises. By following these recommendations, you may significantly improve your cholesterol levels and overall heart health.